Hi everyone, this is Erin from Lizzie Knits, and today I'm going to show you how to make tassels using sock weight yarn and a fork. Okay, so we're making small tassels. You'll need a fork, a pair of scissors, and a tapestry needle and yarn. Okay, I'm going to start with the fork. You can unwind some yarn to get it ready. Okay, I'll set this to the side. And we are ready to go. So when you start wrapping, you want to leave kind of a long tail at the beginning. So I'm gonna leave it approximately 8 inches long, and we'll start at this part. And when you're wrapping around your fork, you want to stay more towards the base of your fork versus the top, because then it won't slide off. It'll be a little more secure while you're working. All right, so let's hold the yarn top here, and I'm going to wrap this around 16 times. I feel that that's a good consistency for me, but you can wrap as many or as little times as you want. So here, we'll go 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna hang out to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then on the final one, instead of wrapping around the top again, you're going to bring the yarn through that top gap in the fork between the prongs. And then grab your scissors, trim this yarn from the ball, and leave another tail. We'll go about 8 inches again. Okay, so this one's that we just finished working with is hanging out in the front during that through that space. This other yarn, we want it to go through that space also, just on the other side. So take the end of your yarn from your original starting, and we're gonna thread it through that same space, just on the opposite side of what you were just wrapping. Okay, so they are both now in the front, and we are gonna tie these together. Try get that as tight as you can. We're gonna thread them through the back and do another knot on the opposite side. So put that through that space to the back. This other tail, we're gonna thread it through again. So it goes this way, and then flip your fork over and do another tie. And you don't have to double knot just yet. We're gonna do another single knot on this one. And then we're gonna repeat that process just one more time, and then we'll do a double knot on the opposite side. So thread that one through to the front, this one move to the front, flip your fork, and we can do a double knot this time. And try to get this as tight as you can without breaking your yarn. I've definitely done that before too. That nice there, and a double knot. All right, so now we can be done using the fork. You can slide this off and put your fork away. Now you're gonna need the tapestry needle. We're gonna be working with both of these ends. I'll start with this one. Okay, thread it through your tapestry needle. And what I'm gonna do, since the yarn's going this way, I want to thread it through all these top loops and have it come out in the opposite direction. So guide your needle as best you can and try to get all the loops and make sure it comes out nicely on the other side. And then pull everything through and take the needle off. All right, now the other end, we want to do the same thing, just going in the opposite direction. So thread your needle, go through the loops in this direction. You can take your time with this too, and make sure it's coming out nicely. You're catching them all through to the other side. Okay, and take your needle off. Now you're done with your tapestry needle. I think I straightened that one out. Okay, they're all coming out of these top loops here, and then we are going to want to tie these strings together at the top. We can do double or triple knot, but it needs to be at the top. We're going to cinch it to close, and make sure it's as close to the top as you can get it, because when it's hanging, you want it to hang nice and straight, not lopsided. Okay. Knot these together. Let's see. Okay. You can pull that tight. I'm gonna do a double knot. Okay, and how about just one more knot? All right, we're just about done here. Right, so those strings, that'll be what it'll hang from. And the last step, so all these long loops at the bottom, grab your scissors and you can cut all the loops open. Okay, did I get them all? Nope, missed one. There we go. So now you have one tiny tassel, and you can add these to a variety of projects, bottom of a scarf. You can even make earrings out of them. What I'm going to do with mine is I have a new shawl design I'm working on, and I am going to line them all on the edge here. I think that'll be really cute. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.